A groundbreaking new study published in the prestigious journal Nature has sent shockwaves through the medical community and beyond. The study's central claim: there is no safe level of alcohol consumption when it comes to the risk of developing dementia. This directly challenges years of conventional wisdom that suggested light to moderate drinking might be harmless or even beneficial for cognitive health. The research, conducted by a team of scientists at Oxford University, has profound implications for public health messaging and individual lifestyle choices. If their findings hold true, even a single glass of wine a day could be slowly chipping away at our brain health, increasing the likelihood of developing dementia later in life. The study's findings are particularly concerning given the prevalence of alcohol consumption worldwide. Millions enjoy a drink or two regularly, often unaware of the potential long-term consequences for their cognitive well-being. This study forces us to confront the uncomfortable reality that our perception of safe drinking might be dangerously misguided. This new research, however, offers a sobering wake-up call. It underscores the urgent need to re-evaluate our relationship with alcohol and prioritize brain health as a crucial aspect of overall well-being. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the study's methodology, findings, and what they mean for us all. To understand the weight of this new evidence, it's crucial to examine the study's robust methodology. The researchers utilised data from the UK Biobank, a vast biomedical database containing genetic and health information from over 500,000 UK participants. This treasure trove of data allowed for a large-scale analysis, lending greater statistical power and reliability to the findings. The researchers employed two distinct analytical approaches, conventional and genetic. The conventional approach assessed the relationship between self-reported alcohol consumption and dementia diagnoses. Meanwhile, the genetic analysis took a novel approach, leveraging genetic data to identify individuals predisposed to lower alcohol consumption due to genetic variations. This clever design helped mitigate potential biases inherent in relying solely on self-reported drinking habits. By comparing dementia rates between those genetically predisposed to lower alcohol intake and those without this predisposition, the researchers could isolate the specific impact of alcohol on dementia risk, independent of other confounding factors. This two-pronged approach strengthens the study's conclusions and provides a more comprehensive picture of alcohol's impact on the brain. The use of such a large and diverse dataset, combined with the two complementary analytical methods, makes this study particularly noteworthy. It minimizes the risk of spurious correlations and strengthens the causal link between alcohol consumption and increased dementia risk. The study's findings were striking in their clarity. They revealed a linear relationship between alcohol consumption and dementia risk. This means that each additional unit of alcohol consumed per week was associated with a quantifiable increase in the likelihood of developing dementia. Contrary to the belief that moderate drinking might be harmless, the study found no evidence of a safe threshold. Even those consuming alcohol within the UK's recommended guidelines of 14 units per week showed an increased risk compared to non-drinkers. This finding challenges the notion of a J-shaped curve, where moderate drinking was thought to offer some protective benefits against dementia. This linear relationship suggests that the brain may be far more sensitive to the detrimental effects of alcohol than previously recognized. It implies that even small amounts of alcohol, consumed regularly over time, can contribute to a gradual accumulation of damage, ultimately increasing the risk of dementia. This finding has significant implications for public health messaging. If any amount of alcohol carries a risk, then current guidelines promoting moderate drinking may need to be revisited. It underscores the importance of clear and consistent messaging that emphasizes the potential risks associated with any level of alcohol consumption. Section 4. Challenging conventional wisdom. Rethinking moderate drinking. The findings of this study directly challenge the long-held assumption that moderate alcohol consumption is harmless and might even be beneficial for brain health. For years, observational studies have suggested a potential protective effect of moderate drinking, particularly for heart health. However, these studies often failed to adequately account for other lifestyle factors that could influence both alcohol consumption and health outcomes. People who drink moderately, for instance, may also tend to have healthier diets, exercise more regularly, and have better access to healthcare. All factors that could contribute to better overall health, masking the potential negative impacts of alcohol. This new research, with its robust methodology and genetic analysis, sheds new light on the complex relationship between alcohol and health. It suggests that any potential benefits of moderate drinking may be outweighed by the long-term risks to brain health. The study's findings should prompt us to reconsider the concept of moderate drinking altogether. If any amount of alcohol carries a risk, then the focus should shift towards promoting abstinence or minimal consumption as the safest approach for protecting brain health. Section 5. Alcohol's assault on the brain. Understanding the mechanisms of damage. Understanding how alcohol might be harming our brains is crucial to grasping the gravity of these findings. While the precise mechanisms are still under investigation, several key pathways have been identified. One primary way alcohol damages the brain is by disrupting communication between brain cells. Alcohol interferes with neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow neurons to communicate with each other. This disruption can impair various brain functions, including memory, learning, decision-making, and coordination. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to more severe damage, including shrinkage of brain volume, particularly in areas crucial for memory and learning, such as the hippocampus. Another way alcohol harms the brain is by triggering inflammation. Alcohol is a toxin that, when metabolized by the liver, produces harmful byproducts that can cause inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. This chronic inflammation can damage brain cells and contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases like dementia. Moreover, alcohol can interfere with the brain's ability to repair itself. The brain is constantly generating new cells, a process known as neurogenesis. However, alcohol consumption can inhibit this process, particularly in the hippocampus, further compromising the brain's ability to maintain its health and function over time. Section 6. Beyond dementia, the broader health implications of alcohol consumption. While this study focused specifically on the link between alcohol and dementia, it's crucial to remember that alcohol's reach extends far beyond brain health. Excessive alcohol consumption is a major risk factor for a wide range of chronic diseases, including liver disease. Alcohol is a leading cause of liver cirrhosis, a severe and potentially fatal condition. Heart disease. Contrary to previous beliefs, even moderate alcohol consumption can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Pancreatic damage. Alcohol is a significant risk factor for pancreatitis, a painful inflammation of the pancreas. Cancer alcohol consumption is linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including mouth, throat, liver, breast, and colorectal cancer. Mental health. Alcohol misuse can worsen existing mental health conditions like anxiety and depression, and contribute to the development of alcohol use disorder. This study serves as a stark reminder that alcohol is not a benign substance. Its effects on the body are multifaceted and potentially devastating. Therefore, any conversation about reducing alcohol consumption needs to acknowledge these broader health implications. It's time to move beyond outdated notions of safe drinking limits and embrace a more nuanced understanding of alcohol's impact on our health. This new research provides compelling evidence that when it comes to alcohol, less is always better, and abstinence may be the wisest choice for protecting both our brain health and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends for more updates on health studies.